How to convert Canva website to Squarespace. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to convert Canva website to Squarespace. So basically, transitioning your website from Canva to Squarespace involves several steps as direct migration isn't supported. But you can simply select some templates or rebuild pages or transfer content like text and images from Canva to Squarespace. So here's what I'm going to show you right now. Basically, if you have your Squarespace right here, and if you think that you want to do some changes with the style you want to get from Canva, you want to add pictures and elements or designs from Canva, yes, it's possible. So what we're going to do is we're going to transfer some elements, pages, styles from Canva to our Squarespace. So you need to create a Squarespace account, of course. So this is your Squarespace, and you need to create a Canva account. So this is your Canva. Now, what you're going to do here is basically, if you have created this kind of style or image and you want to paste it right here or transfer it to your Squarespace, then what you're going to do is you're going to add a section first. Or you can just replace this one. But for a clearer tutorial, I'm going to add a section and I'm going to paste this or add this image to my Squarespace. Okay, so let's just say you own a restaurant and you want to promote your restaurant or your page for your restaurant. So you just have to simply add your pictures right here. Let's just say, okay, for the sake of this tutorial, let's just say these are my images. So I have uploaded and imported this to my Canva, and this is the name of my page, or let's just say my restaurant, home buddy. And feel free to add description, feel free to add more information about your restaurant. In Canva, you can change everything here: background, style, color. Now, once you're done, you have to click this share and tap this three dots and go to embed. Tap this one right here and then copy from any of this. So you can just either copy the first one or the second one. And then here on your Squarespace, you need to click or add this plus icon. Go to embed and then paste the code right here. So double click. Okay, so tap this link, paste the code right here. If the first link didn't work, then try the second link. So I'm going to try the second link. Since the first link did not work, I'm going to paste it right here. And then you will be notified that it is successfully added to your Squarespace page. And this is what it looks like. So let's just say the image or the content that you have copied or transferred here to Squarespace, you can just adjust this one, okay? But you cannot import again another picture. You cannot change everything here. You can change this to your Canva, but you can't change this to your Squarespace. So basically that's it. Since you cannot really convert Canva website to Squarespace, what you can convert, you can add, you can transfer elements and pictures from Canva to Squarespace. So this is not to mislead or give some false information. This is just to show you that it's not possible to convert the page to Squarespace, but there is a way that you can easily transfer or copy and paste or add these images from Canva to your Squarespace. And as you can see here, I have created another one. So I tap share, copy the code, and then click this add option right here, embed, and then paste the code right here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So you will be notified that it is successfully transferred or successfully added. And again, you can just basically drag this one, change the position. You can add more if you want. So I'm going to add or adjust the size. You can replace the picture. You can delete the first picture right here, or you can just leave it this way. For the sake of this tutorial, I just show you what it looks like if you have added a picture or element from Canva to your Squarespace. So you can also set this as your background if you want. So let me delete this background first, and I'm going to change the background here. I'm going to add this file from Canva. So if you want to change the background, just go to background and then replace the picture. So this is the picture that I'm going to replace. So you can either copy the code or you can also download the picture. And then, for example, if you want to change the background, then basically you can tap and then upload the file, and then change the background. So for example, if you want to change the background here in Squarespace, you need to upload the photo, okay, to change the background. But if you want to add the element, the page, the picture images, you can just basically copy the URL or the code, and then go to add section, go to embed, and then paste the code right here. Okay, so for example, if you want to add your team, if you want to add your members or your staff, and you don't know how to do it inside of Squarespace, then go to Canva, look for any template, and then download or copy the code. Go back to your Squarespace, add section, go to code or embed, and then paste the code right here. Now wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Then you will be notified that your Canva picture or image has been added to your Squarespace. Okay, so either ways you can copy the code or you can download the image. It's really fine. Like what I've mentioned earlier, if you want to change the background, you can just basically upload a file. You can download and then upload a file. And then here, you cannot really, edit. Like what I've mentioned earlier, if you want to edit this, just go back to Canva. You can just basically drag or change the position of the picture from Canva to your Squarespace. Okay, same thing with this section. If you want to add more, just go back to Canva. The advantage of using Canva is that if you're looking for a specific template or design, you can just basically go to design, then search for the specific template or style that you're looking for, and then edit, and then add this to your Squarespace. Because here in Squarespace, it's kind of difficult to look for a specific template, or let's just say, if you're not really good at using Squarespace and you're good at using Canva, then you can try doing or editing that on Canva and then transfer it to your Squarespace. Because I think for me, Canva is easiest. Okay, it's easiest or easier a tool in editing compared to others. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and then you can also change the picture of the person right here. You can delete this one, and like what I mentioned earlier, you can just basically add adjust the picture, but you cannot edit the picture from Canva to your Squarespace. Okay, so here it is. You can also add a video if you want. So same thing, you can paste a code or URL from your YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel, just copy your URL and paste it right here. Or if you want to add a video from other YouTube channel, you can just basically copy and then paste the code right here or URL right here. So this is what it looks like. And you can do more. Just go to add section and then add these pictures from Canva. So basically that's it. Like what I mentioned earlier, it's not that really a direct way. I mean, transitioning your website from Canva to Squarespace is not really a direct migration. But like what I've mentioned, you can embed Canva designs into Squarespace. You can just generate embed code in Canva and then provide this HTML and paste it to your Squarespace. So this method allows you to incorporate Canva designs into your Squarespace site. Once done, you can now publish, and then you can now copy and then view your live site here on your Squarespace. So in short, for a visual demonstration of embedding Canva designs into a workspace, you may find this tutorial helpful. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.